Um, Hello everyone, it's a rainy morning. I made this video in English because of I'm going to share something special. Something special like really like to show you some art journal to you, or you can say how you can make your own art journal. That's why I'm sharing this. I'm try to give you all the ideas and the creative ideas, and I'm going to share my own sketchbooks and all today in my blog today. So first of all, let's start first. So here you can observe patching pattern. You can say this is a cutout from old magazines. These all are cut out from old magazine, and here I am going to use the crepe paper for this, and I tear this paper by the help of hand only, because I sometimes I don't like to use scissor and all. These are the cutouts. These letters are the cutouts from a cake box basically, and here I love to paste my and my son's picture. So like that manner you can make your own journal. These are the ideas. Now next time, this is as you know, this is my own art journal. That's why here I'm going to use my thinking, my ideas and all. So here I am a very fond of what should I say, I love conventional and traditional art form. So that's why here I am doing Madhubani as at the same times I love modern and contemporary art also, and I always try to I should updated myself with this modern art. So here I am using here, this is a cutout from old art paper, black art paper, and using Uniball white ink pen for this, making this. I think hopefully you can, it's visible I think. So now the next one, I go for the next ones. It's not really good, but see, this is another cutout from an old magazine, and here I am doing some doodlings over here. See, now I'll go for the next ones. So like these manners, some patches are there which is an old newspaper cutouts and anything. It's written the colorful diversities over here. Seriously, I love to share my own views. Actually, what should I say? I love to watch movies. Basically, Bengali movies like Aranye Din Ratri, Feluda series, and all. So that's why I'm making this. It's one type of reel I want to make by the help of punching machines, and here black art paper I'm using. The paper quality is not up to the mark, that's why you can see this type of patches over here. And as you all know that me and my son, I want to portray over here. Here for margin I am like this type of fishes, which is I want to give them a folk type of pattern. Sometimes I really love to do some patchworks or give my own paint. In case of my painting, I am going to use some different type of texture and all. So here I am using a patching technique. See, dabbing technique basically. I dab the sponge in a color box, and I mean in a color palettes, and then I'll make this. And you can see this type of margin is quite different I think, and it's written over here, art is freedom for me, just like oxygen. There is art everywhere, maybe in their lifestyle or thinking, or I can say the art of self-love. See, so some of nowadays mandala is very in fashion, so that's why I'm trying to make this. See, some your techniques are there. You can use compass as well as you have to use scale also, but this is without scale I am doing this. See, I'm only using here compass. uh, for your own according to your choice, you can sometimes, when you are having laser time in your hand, you can use what should I say, you can make some creative stickers also, just like I made this. See, it's very simple one. And for color, I am going to use the color brush pen for cameling. See the different types of style I made. It's not any copy from any other pictures and all, but I love to do it. Sometimes I love, you can observe there's so many interesting things in case of geometric patterns. So I love to do this type of things, as well as here a traditional form. This is also cut out from colorful paper and all. See. So according to your choice, make your own journal. It's not mandatory. There is no, as such, in case of art, there is no code and code terms or pattern you have to follow. I don't think so. Now I'm going to share. Sometimes you can do one thing. You will easily get so many newspapers. So utilize newspaper. Just take a red and black colors and do something creative on that canvas. So I made this a simple illustration. See, here I am going to use the buttons. See, so all these what should I say, it's up to you. Be creative all the times. This is very common gone art over here. And here I'm going to use, I am using here basically color paper. This is a black art paper, and here this is simple art paper, and I paint this as Shanti Niketani Alpona, and this is gone art form. See, by the help of that you can make your own birthday cards and all time when you are, I just observe the birthday cards, all are using some doodlings and the same thing, balloons, hearts and all, the cakes and all. Why? Make something different, think some different, in a creative manner. Those who are my friend, they know that very well that I love to drink coffee all time. Maybe at night, maybe at 2 a.m. or it's 2 p.m. whatever. I love coffee. Basically, I am a coffee lover. So here, that's why I'm just made this. See, here I am using the cutout. CCD cake cake box. This is a cutout from that cake box. This is cut out from magazine, and here you can observe the muffins, shakers, spoon, and all. So like this manner you can make also your own art journal. See, this is simple gone art. Here I am giving a stitching effect over here. So sometimes I plan wedding cards like this. See, here I am going to, here I am using handmade paper, and otherwise maximum styles, Madhubani styles, or different kind of styles I made this. Make that pattern, mandala pattern, in a different way. This is me and my son. Sometimes by the help of watercolor you can make simple illustrations like that. See, this is simply I am going to do a Shanti Niketani Albona. Okay. So like that manner you can make your own art journals or drawings like that. Sometimes you can make your own sticker. Stick it like that. So here Sometimes you have observed ever that the lino cut style or lino cut pattern. See, I am going to show you right now. See, this is all these are just pattern lino cut style, which I just by the help of color brush and not Unibold, basically Ocean Gel pen I'm going to use over here. Hope you can hear my voice. See, see the conditions. It's really very bad weather. You can do any type of funky things. It's not that mandatory to copy. Just be creative always. So like that manner you can make your painting and ready. You can make your own sketch books. So sometimes I'm going to do some like this according to my choice. It's not mandatory. This is actually I want to depict my own pictures. Like this manner I need to do something doodling over here. See, basically I want to do doodling over here. See, it's not anything which I want to copy. I mean, that time I always try to carry my own sketchbook every time, and I'm having another one which is specially for making alponas and design and pattern like this. See, so be creative all the times, and like this manner make your own art journal. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and as well as please, it's my sole request to you all, please share my videos if you like it. Tata, bye.